How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk. Welcome back to another auto video. I'm going to start reviewing some auto products because there's a lot of them out there, and I just want to give you guys some heads up and a little bit of like a did you know, because there's a lot, like I just said, there's a lot of them out there. So today we are going to be going over Techron's Complete Fuel System Cleaner. As you can see, it's supposed to clean all the deposits in the fuel ejection, and it is also supposed to maximize your MPGs, which is your miles per gallon, your restores your lost power, acceleration, reduces rough idle, in surge, and hesitation. And it's supposed to do it every 3,000 miles. I used it every like 10, to be quite honest with you. I do see a little bit of a difference using Techron, that's why I'm doing this first, but you know, every car is different and everything is different, so that's why I'm going to be going over with you guys today. So what does it usually do? It's supposed to clean the carbon in your pistons. You have 6 pistons, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is a V6, so does 6. Your pistons are here, which is where your spark plugs are. So if you were to pull these out, you will see right into the pistons. And there's carbon buildup on there, and that's what the Techron's supposed to be cleaning, is that carbon buildup and guck, and clean it out for a much smoother run. And as you can see right here, there's gas injectors that spray gas to the pistons to make it go. So usually that can get built up and there's not a lot of good spray on it. So it's supposed to go through this, clean out the tip for a nice easy spray, which increases your miles per gallon and your lost power and all that stuff. So, does it really work? Let's go find out. Alright, so I don't mean to rush this part, but they're playing music here that I can get copyrighted with. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour this into the tank. So we're going to pour it in. As you can see, it's going in. And it's supposed to go up and treat up to 15 gallons of fuel. And then we're gonna fill it with gas. All right, so it's been about a day, and as you can hear, there's nothing in it, it's empty. So I've been driving around for a day, letting it all swish in, letting it all run through the engine, and I can see a difference in the miles per gallon, but I don't see a difference within the carbons, only a little bit. And I would show you it, but my friend is a mechanic. He has one of those little microscopic cameras that you can put into the cylinder, and only like one of the cylinders was thoroughly cleaned. The other ones were like, eh. So if you want thorough evidence of what it looks like of the carbon, a great person who also did a review on this that I kind of learned because my brother told me it was Chris Fix, which I didn't actually realize he did a review on Chevron. And I watched it, and he actually shows you before and after of nothing with 1 bottle and 2 bottles. So I go and advise, I'll leave a card right here right now, so just to go check it out, because his evidence of that is golden. But for me, and with an SUV and with a 6-liter, well, 6-cylinder, miles per gallon is fine. I believe it cleans out the fuel injectors and all that stuff, but the carbon, I don't think so. Like I said, because it only had 1 done. Again, something's better than nothing. That's what I would say. So, again, it was about like $5 I got it. Usually they go for a lot more depending on where you go. Again, they always say on the back that a second, where's it at? Right there, a second treatment may be given additional benefits. So if you want to do a second treatment, give a second treatment. I guarantee it will work. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.